Software Edwin is operated with dynamometer and ecómetro data. Software has the main menu with many functions. To receive the measurements from registration unit, press button Read the measurements, choose Comport and press Connect. Data transfer is establishing and all data is reading to computer. Press OK to exit. Now we can see all received measurements in a tree. Press Filter button to see the filter conditions. We can select all measurements from date range, for 1 day, for recent days, by operator, by device name. So we can select data about kind measurements. Also we can view protocols, all previous reading from registration unit, and press Filter off to show all measurements in a tree. Now we will work with dynamometer card. We can see the dynamometer card. This is surface dynamometer card. This field consists the oil name, this field consists date, and this is operator. So in this menu is available some functions. Now we can see all strokes. This button means we can see the load on the polished rod. Now we can see the position on the polished rod. This is pump card. And on this picture we can see surface and pump card together. So we can move these markers. That means effective launch. So on this tab we can see all calculated parameters, pump productions, plunger stroke, pump efficiency and filling factor. Also we can set conclusion for measurement. In this part we can see pumping unit information. We can select any pumping unit from huge database. On this tab we can see rod strings and all calculated stresses information for each string. In this tab we can see some loads: rod string weight and fluid load, rod string weight and fluid load, and so on. In advanced tab we can see some information about oil well and about transducer. So this button can find the conclusion about malfunction. So in this case we can see normal pump operation. Choose it. So also we can report. To print report, it's available some templates. Now we can see middle template. Also it's available short dynamometer report, and there is available tiny report, very small dynamometer card. And also we can use table dynamometer report with many informations. And there is available big report. All reports can be saved to RTF format and JPEG format. So now we go to another dynamometer card. So this is normal pump condition. And now we go to eccometer card to analyze it. This is a typical eccometer card. So we can see the first marker is starting impulse. The second marker is response from liquid level. So this is button to calculate liquid level depth by different methods. This is some information about measurements. So this is joint colors information. We can see special window for zooming selection of eccometer card, and we can move this part on the graph. So we can see that we found some joints, and the new liquid level depth is 900 meters. So this is producing liquid level, acoustic velocity, time response information, and joint length information. Also we can see all colors detected on this eccometer card. Also there's available BHP calculations by Gilbert method. So we must input well information, fluids information, information about rate, casing data, and by pressing calc we can calculate interface pressure, pump intake pressure, PBHP, annual gas flow, and some information about it, like production efficiency. Close this dialog. And so we can produce some reports. This is a typical report for eccometer card. We can place it by 8, 3, 4 per page. Also we can send a report for many eccometer cards, something like this. And also we have a TVM-like report. It's a very huge report. So there is many information about casing pressure build-up, BHP information, colors, reflections. Also we can export to BND2 format to transfer the measurements to another computer. We can save many measurements to this file, save it, and later we can send this file to another computer. On other computer we can import this file to current database with the help of this dialog. Also, software has configuration window. We can set working folder database. We can change name of company on the report. This is some options for data reading, for graphics, for colors. Also we can use user access mode. Also we can change unit measures. It supports for SI systems, US system, and India system. Also software has powerful report designer. We can some templates for reports. We can edit any report or create new. We can change the graph part, size and place of this part. We can change any text information, and we can modify any report. Also, software has some information about help. Also, we can see about information. Also, we can write email to author, know about new features, and check for new version. That's all. Thank you very much.